Anna, where's your baby?
My tummy.
You have a baby in your tummy?
Yeah.
What's your baby's name?
The baby.
Oh, my baby in my tummy?
Yeah.
Well, why are you showing me your tummy?
My baby. My tummy.
What's your baby doing?
My baby. They're sleeping.
Oh, sleeping. Anna, you don't have a baby in your tummy.
I tell you, baby. Hi, tummy.
In mommy tummy.
Baby. Brother.
Brother has a baby in his tummy?
Yeah.
What's the baby's name in brother's tummy?
Oh, I see me, baby.
I see your tummy.
Yeah.
Yes.
My tummy.
I see your belly.
Baby. My tummy. Baby.
When's the baby gonna come out of mama's tummy?
Baby. Hey. Baby.
Baby sister. Oh, bye. I see your butt.
Yeah.
Oh, you got your milk?
Yeah.
Oh, is that for the baby?
Mine.
It's not for the baby?
Mine. Mine.
Okay, it's yours.
Brother.
Mm-hmm. Brother being a ghost? Two waters. Bye.